Hello, my name is Maggie and welcome to my channel. I do have a little bit of a congestion going on, so never mind that. Happy 2022. I'm so excited to get this new year going. Allow me to reintroduce myself as well as all of the other blog channels that I have going on after this. It is time to re-up. It is time to reimagine, reinvigorate, refresh, all of the re's. I took this time off to really just sort of let what I was rethink what I was doing and just review what all was going well and what all wasn't and what all I had time for, because I do work full-time and I want to have somewhat of a life. So I had to reevaluate a lot of things, but with that I was also able to reimagine what I could do when I let go of things that I knew that I couldn't keep up with. So I'm gonna let go of a lot of things that I wanted to do but I just can't do, which is fine. But I'm going to but that has left me so much room for to reimagine what this could look like, and to just, it really reinvigorated me, because when I let go of things that I felt like I had to do, it just opened up a whole new world, which led to this reimagined platforms on YouTube. So this channel here is a beauty channel, and it's sort of morphed into other things, but I'm taking it back to being a beauty channel. So from this channel, you will get all of my makeup, looks, reviews, recommendations, all of that stuff. It's my Anna beauty log, if you will. I thought about what I really enjoyed on YouTube and what I sort of started, and that is when I was like, let's just go back to the roots and just redo what this channel was. So that's what I'm doing, going back to my roots with this channel. Not only am I going back to making this a beauty vlog channel, or a beauty channel, a beauty log, I am creating 3 other channels with a 4th one on its way as well. I took a long hiatus, but I really was rethinking the brand, rethinking just everything that I could handle and what I'm not able to do anymore. And so that is how I came up with everything that I'm about to tell you. I thought about all of the things that I really love to do, and the other channels just sort of evolved from there. So the first channel that you will start to see is my Plan With Me channel. It will be called Anna Plan Log, so kind of not too fun of a name there, but I'm going with the whole analog theme, you'll see. But the Anna Plans log is just going to be Plan With Me planner videos. I have loved planners since I can remember, since I was a little girl, and I've introduced planners to this channel way back when, a long time ago, when I would just show you what was in my bag, and the planners were always in my bag. So I talked to a lot of people in real life about planners and planning, so I thought I wanted to continue that channel, or that series, or that type of videos. So to not dilute what is going on in this channel, I'm gonna open up a whole new YouTube channel, which will all be linked below, for the Plan With Me's and for the planner channel. Please subscribe to that one. It would mean a lot to me as well. Just to let you know, that channel will have a lot of content that is sensitive to people and events and places where I'll be going. So I don't want to put all that information out there for the masses. So there is going to be a sort of Patreon levels to it. So you will have to subscribe to the Patreon in order to see certain things from that. But there is going to be some content going on the YouTube channel for regular, but I do want to be careful with what I put out into the world. So I am going to create a Patreon for the planner vlog, or the planner videos, the planner log videos. So you will see that linked as well, but go to that channel and you'll see what will be on the Patreon and what will be on YouTube. I also am keeping with my plan to read through for the whole year, keeping the categories, and I just love books and I don't think I'm ever going to give that up. So I've decided to do a Anna book log, which is basically going to be everything that has to do with books. It's going to be over there in its own channel. That's where it will live. It's there's not going to be a Patreon tied to that, so it'll just be what I'm reading in a month. I'll share with you what I thought of those books. I have tried to incorporate some books in this channel all the way back then as well, a long time ago when I introduced a few books way at the beginning, and I tried to do some last year or during 2020, and I just wasn't able to keep it up in the way that I had imagined. But again, I let go of so much and I was able to free up space in the brain to think of new ways to do this. So I am going to create a new YouTube channel for my books. I'm so excited about it. It will be linked down below as well. All right, 2 more videos to show you, to talk about. So my husband and I, this is probably the funnest one because it's not only me. So my husband and I are going to be doing, or are doing, we have been doing for a while now, taking these little mini adventures, or where we call them Isa Anna adventures, because his name is Isaias, and I just meshed all those words together. So you'll find all of our adventures on our Instagram, and I tried to make videos about it, that I try to do TikToks, and where I did, you know, do some things here and there, it just wasn't enough. You know, it wasn't something that I could do on my own. But once I included my husband on board, once, you know, I gave him the space to join this with me, he you know, he was reluctant at first, but I sort of convinced him, I think. But we're gonna do a travel log channel, so it won't be, well, I mean, I want to call it Anna travel log, but it's not only me, but it'll be me and my husband, and we have planned to go to quite a few big trips this year. Hopefully they'll happen, and we've planned a lot of mini adventures or road trips, or even just staycations that we'll be sharing with you as well. So stay tuned for that channel. It is going to be linked below as well. I haven't uploaded any videos yet, but we have some great ideas for that channel, and I'm so excited about it. And the last one, which may or may not be too fun depending on, you know, once it gets going, is I'm gonna do a body log, so Anna body log, which sounds super scary. So I'm gonna just tell you right now, I am gonna make that one a Patreon exclusive. So you won't really see much of those types of videos on the main channel. It will all be on Patreon, or maybe we'll see what I can do. But it is very very scary and very vulnerable to put yourself out there into the world. And I'm not just talking about, like, you know, I did this week, but I really want to share with you my plans for losing weight, and also my, like, you know, how many what I weigh, what my goal weight is, what my starting weight is, all that stuff, like weekly weigh-ins. Like, it's gonna be a whole thing, and I'm doing it for quite a few reasons, but I know that it'll keep me accountable, and hopefully it'll keep you accountable, and we can do this sort of together. But I mainly want to do it because I want to like help other people who are completely lost and confused as I was. I um, was diagnosed with PCOS quite a few years ago, and since then I have just been confused about it all and really at a place where I didn't even know where to start. But I found some people here on YouTube who helped me on my journey and set me, you know, not really like not I didn't really meet them. I just discovered their channel. It's PCOS weight loss. I'll link them below, but um, through them I was able to figure out like what works for me and what doesn't work, and I've seen some results in these last few months since really um, all of December. I have lost maybe about 5 to 6 pounds total. No, yeah. So once I figured this out, I was like, oh, okay, like I can do this. So I want to bring you along and share this journey with you. So I know it seems like a lot, and it is. And I know you're telling me like, Anna, if you couldn't keep up with what you were once doing, how can you keep up with all this? I know. But a lot of it is um, built into my routine already. So it's things that I was already doing. I was already reading all these books. I'm already going to be doing this weight loss challenge. My husband and I are already going to these travels. The only hard one maybe will be the beauty channel, because I already plan weekly. I'm just now sharing those plans with you. So those are things that I already do. The hard part may be the editing and uploading, but I think I figured out a way to do it. I bought new cameras and setups and all these things to really help me to do this. So I have a good handlebars on this time on this crazy motorcycle that is. But I'm really excited, and I know that it's gonna be so impactful, not only for me but hopefully for you guys as well, and I just cannot wait to get it all started. I just gave an overview. I'm gonna make intro videos for everything and explaining everything after this one, so go to all those channels, subscribe to them all, and see those videos, the introductions to all those, so that you'll see what I have planned and you'll be able to join me on all those roller coasters. So I'm way too excited for this. I'm just so excited, and yay, happy new year.